So if you were to just look at this picture, what would you think of? Look real close. Kind of spirals. It has lines. There's different colors. What would you think, without any prior knowledge, that you are looking at? It's really kind of interesting shape, isn't it? But what would you say if we took one step back and you found out that this picture that you've been looking at is called DNA? Can anybody in the room tell me what DNA is? You could talk among yourselves or between you and your neighbor for just a moment. DNA. Wow. That doesn't really tell you anything when you just say the acronym DNA. And you look at this picture, it still doesn't tell you anything. But we're going to go one step further. We're going to talk about DNA. Because since we know now that there's 4 nitrogen bases, let's go a little bit further. Let's find out what exactly happens with these bases. So we're going to look over here and we're going to find out that the C and the G pair together. The A and the T, they pair together. We have a fun memory trick that we can use to help us remember this. So we have C and G. We can remember by saying cars and garages. And then we have A and T, apples and trees. So cars and garages, C and G, A and T. In our first example, we show one strand of the DNA, which is CTA, CGT. We're going to pair that up now with the other strand, which would be C. What do we say now? Cars and what? Cars and garages, right. CG, so trees and apples. So it would be A, apples and trees, cars, G, C, and T, A. So now that we have those paired together, we see that we have